is Sunday morning. Today I'm going to have a look around some of the key sites here in Bologna. The city's nowhere near as big and popular as other cities like Florence, where I was yesterday. Whereas Florence, you could probably spend a week there and not get bored. Here in Bologna, I think a day is going to be about right to have a look around and pick out some of the interesting parts of the city to go and visit.
So I've left the hotel and I'm now heading towards some of Bologna's famous towers. I'm just walking under a portico. That's these covered archways that extend all the way over Bologna city. It's really great if it's raining because you don't get wet, but Bologna is particularly famous for them. There we go. And just up here to my right is going to be the Alta Bella Tower, a 12th century tower made from brick entirely. There it is there. It's the second highest structure in the city. So I'm going to take a walk around and hopefully end up at the Twin Towers. So I've now arrived very close to the area where the Twin Towers stand. There were over 150 towers in Bologna in the 12th century, 13th century, that kind of time frame. But over the years, a lot of them were demolished, some of them collapsed. No one knows for sure why they built so many towers like this. The one on the right there, the larger one, is the Asinilli Tower, 300 feet, 100 meters high. They both lean. If I get a bit closer to them, you'll see what I mean. I guess you could call it the Leaning Tower of Bologna. That's the smaller one, and then the larger one is there. I've read that you can actually climb to the top of this one. So that's what I'm about to do. So these are the stairs to get to the top. It's actually a hollow tower with a wooden staircase built 300 foot to the top. I'm back down on solid ground again. The smaller tower, the smaller of the two towers, has a lean of 4 degrees, which is 0.1 degrees more than the Leaning Tower of Pisa at 3.9 degrees. The tower that we went up has a lean of 1.2 degrees. So I'm now at a place called the Seven Churches. Don't really know very much about it, apart from, of course, it is a complex of 7 churches. I think it's free to get in, so I'm going to have a quick look inside and see what it's all about.